So now let's see how we can work around with the invert and LUT effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply the invert effect in it, you need to go around under the effects tab right here. Once you do that, you need to go around onto the color grading folder right here. So I'm just going to go around and scroll down onto the color grading section, and once you do that, you can see that invert is an option. So if I were to go around and keep the invert in right here, then it's simply inverted, as you can see right here. So the dark turns white and white turns dark, and you got an exact inverted effect, as you can see right here. But that's it to it right here. Another thing that you can do is utilize the LUT effect, which is a color correction effect right here. Once you apply it, nothing actually happens, and you can see that there's the strength right here. So LUT is based on a file. So what you need to do is you need to open up a LUT file, which you can find online for different type of color corrections. So you need to go around and click right here, and then navigate around to the folder where you have your LUT files. So I have a few LUT files right here, as you can see, and the LUT files are LUT files may represent different color corrections, and it is universally accepted. So if I were to go around and select right here and click on open, you can see the LUT is applied right here. It gives a more of a serious tone right here, and you can change around the strength of the LUT color correction, as you can see. If you were to go around over here, then you can also go around and select this out and decrease and increase this out, as you can see. And there's another one as well, the yellow right here, which gives a much more of a serious tone, as you can see, and you get a movie look right here. So that is how you can work around with the invert effect and the LUT effect, that is for color correction inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.